I was asked to show off our family woods truck here. It's what we use to, you know, tote firewood, clean up branches and crap, take them to the burn pile, you know, just our all-around little woods truck. It's a, I'll have to ask my grandpa what year it is. I don't rightly remember, but it's a Willys pickup. All original. See, the fender came off there. Here's the bed. It's kind of, sort of, maybe a little rusty, but it's still good. We'll check out the inside here. First, I'll show you the motor. There she is in all her glory. A lot of you probably look at this thing and say, there's no way that thing starts up. No freaking way. So you can see this side's a little more rusty. Here we come in. See, that inspires confidence. Hole through the freaking floorboard, So, clutch in, choke out. Let's see here. Oop, killed her. No, it started up real nice though.
Choke it real hard.
Rap. As you can see, I'm not getting pushed off hole. Just driving. Yee. That's a Willys pickup. We'll go backwards. That's it for the woods truck, guys. Over and out.